Thought I'd do you a little video on my stamps. I've got quite a few of these online, all different shapes and sizes and what have you. Somebody asked me the other day how you use them. They're pretty simple really, and this is just a short video to show you how to use them. Get your fondant, roll it out. This is just some old fondant, so it's going to have little black bits or something in it. So don't worry about that. Trying to take them out as I go. So that's all you do. You just roll your fondant out to what you want. Take your little stamp, make sure it's the right way up, and turn it around. Place it onto your fondant. Push it down in all four corners. Flick it up at one side so as it's easy to take off. Any rough edges, just smooth them out with your finger. Then get your cutter, place it over it. You can have it fancy or just normal. Push down. And there you go. There you have it. And that's what it looks like. Thanks for watching. I'll put a link in so as you can have a look at all the other ones that I do, and hope to see you soon.